What up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Right now we're in the Hellcat and we're rolling out to some, I don't know what to call it, but it's this little kid's birthday. And since there's this quarantine going on, this guy made a post on Facebook and said that his son loves cars and he wants as many people as he can to come out and drive by their house and surprise their son with all the cars, which is pretty sick. I like the idea and it got shared like a ton of times. I guess a whole bunch of people are rolling out, including me and a couple other buddies. There's a whole bunch of sick cars. It should be a good time. It's for a good cause, you know, surprise this kid for his birthday. Because, I mean, when I was a kid, that would have been sick for sure. Definitely a memorable moment. We're rolling out right now and I'm actually waiting on Donnie. You guys have met Donnie before, but
2 for 5 for Red Bull.
Yeah? You got me one?
Yeah, bro.
My man. We just arrived at the spot. And there's probably like a couple hundred vehicles here rolling out for this kid's birthday. So that's pretty sick, to be honest. It worked out pretty good for the kid. We got some boys rolling up right here in the Viper. Ah, dude. So there's probably, I don't even know, hundreds and hundreds of vehicles. Some of them are sick, some of them are just normal. It's just everyone's showing love, which is pretty sick. I guess this kid's gonna have a pretty good birthday, I'd say. So look, we got a dirt bike right here. We got, look at a 6-door Harley Davidson edition 6.0. Got all types of crazy stuff. I like that Jeep a lot. That Jeep's freaking sick, dude. That blue Jeep's sick. She's got a tractor. Yeah. So to be honest, me and the ZR1 just shut down the whole event. This is actually a little birthday party, but I let him rip, as you guys saw, and this ZR1 let it rip too. He did a sick burnout. So I don't even know how we managed to get like right by each other, but the ZR1's freaking sick. This is like honestly one of my dream cars right here. I love these ZR1s. They're nasty. We're rolling out right now, and it's pretty fun, not gonna lie. All right, guys, so we're in the Hellcat. It was a good day. Sorry I didn't talk that much. Honestly, I was kind of caught up with the whole scene of everything going on. There was just so much craziness going on. I kind of was just talking while I was holding the camera. I shredded some freaking tires, as you guys can see. Honestly, you guys can't really see. I'm gonna put my phone light on it. Like, I honestly still have a lot of tread. These tires are so hard. They don't hook up for nothing. Like, they don't catch any traction, but they make so much smoke. And look, they don't even make that much rubber. That crazy burnout I just did, that's all it did, is that little bit of rubber, which is pretty crazy because that was a massive burnout. That's gonna be a wrap for this video. And I got some crazy stuff coming on the way. I got a new mod. I know I've been talking about it for a couple videos now. Coming for the Hellcat. The reason I haven't put it on yet, I haven't had the time. It's gonna take me a couple hours to put it on. So stay tuned, that's gonna be the next video. So I will catch you guys next time, and thanks for watching. Peace.